Hello, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you about while loops in Python. While loops is using to the same thing, the execution a block of code like multiple times. It's multiple times it is executing the purpose where the condition is to be satisfying. We will see. I'm looking for a simple statement. I want to print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only by using like a while loop. All right. Let's see. While for I less than or equal to condition I'm passing here, 5. It is not 5 statement. And before I want to initiate the value of I equal to 1. Right? Now, once if it is in a colon is there, print enter here. Now print of I here. Sorry, small I. And now you have to be increment the value of I. Otherwise, it will be moved to uncountable loop. I plus 1. Now, what I want to print here, once the loop is completed, I want to print like a completed. Alright. Now see, while I is entering as in a 1 and it's going to be here and it's a less than or equal to 5 only the I value. Initial value is 1. We are declaring here. Then it is print 1. And it moved to the next step, next level of execution. It's an I value, it's an incrementing with the 1. Now it is an I value is 2. Again, it's come here and it will be treated as it's less than or equal to 5. Then it will be moved to this way and continuation so on till 5. If it is in a 5, even it will be continued. Why? Because it's in a statement condition is saying that less than or equal to 5. If it is an I value is 5, then it will be executed and it will be print 5, and if it is an increment to 6, then it will be exit from this loop. Clear? Now see, I will try to execute over here. There we go. See this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and completed the statement. That is a very much simple to write while loop statements in Python language. Now it's all about iterations are completed, loop will be terminated as well. It's printed the last time. All right. Now I would like to see you that it's a very important and a simple, interesting statement. Like instead of I, we are printing here anyhow number, and what I want to pass here like simple star I will pass here. Simple star I will pass here and into. See what will happen. Wow, pattern is came here. How it is? Wonder. Now see here, instead of I, we are printed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 it came directly. And here, what I have print on first iteration, 1 star it is printing. I that star into I am multiplication here with the I value. Alright, 1 star into 1, that is equal to 1. 2 into that star into 2 means 2 stars. 3 stars, 3 on every iteration. If it is 5, 5 stars it's printing. If I iterations have my condition is changed to 10, what it would be? 10 stars it would be printed over here till 10. This is the very much easy to handle such a pattern. Once the condition is satisfied and exit the loop and print is completed. That's it. Likewise, you can implement the while loops in using Python programming language. Thank you.